How to fix Windows 10 network connection issues. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows 10 network connection issues. 1. Check on your router's power adapter. 2. Restart your router. 3. Check physical connections like the Ethernet cable. 4. Forget Wi-Fi network. 5. Run network troubleshooter. Six. Turn off firewall, temporarily. 7. Update network adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Disable third-party antivirus software.